We are back live here on our big program 990 WBOB out there in Rhode Island. Yes, the people of Rhode Island listen to me each and every Sunday. Why? That's the question I have. Why? Why do they listen to me? They're entertained by my antics, I guess. Lots of things happening is the big broadcast. It is Coast to Coast. It is the Mix on Tuesdays. And if you're listening to us live, thanks for joining us. I've got a confession to make. No, I don't have anything to say. I've got nothing more to say, as the great Frank McDonald would say. Why is that music so damn long? Get on. Like, what in the world? Why is it so long? JiggyJaguar.com. KJagRadio.com. The place to be is, of course, I need a nap. That's what I need. I need a nap. After the weekend that I've had, I need a frickin' nap. But we are going to see what happens as we move forward. Thirsty Curses is supposed to be with us. Have not heard anything out of Thirsty Curses. I think they might be joining us at the top of the hour, honestly. Maybe joining us at the top of the hour. Let's try to get a hold of the fabulous Coffee Girl. I'm gonna call Coffee Girl. I don't know why I'm calling her Coffee Girl. Is her name Coffee Girl? Her name is Jenny from the Block. No. Nothing. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what happened to the bunny. The bunny called me at 2 a.m. this morning. Why did she call me at 2 a.m. this morning? That's what drugs do to you, kids. That's what drugs do to you. But speaking of drugs, I think she just got online. So we are going to see. Finding my phone. Give me 2 minutes. According to the great and talented Alina. The bunny, as they say. The bunny. Coast to coast, you pulled it, the bunny. I don't know. I just wanted to say what I wanted to say. That's what I wanted to say. You tell them. Tell them. Okay. Supposedly the Mangler was going to be here today, so we'll see if the Mangler makes an appearance in studio. Fixing my phone. Give me 2 minutes. Really? I'm about to hang up now. Really? Okay, well, let's do this. Let's try to call her again. Let's see if the fiasco will take place.
Oh,
I
Jesus.
believe there she is.
Hi.
Look at that. Holy shit. What are you doing today?
I was trying to unlock the ID, but fuck bucket. I'm chucking it in the fuck bucket. So can I say that on radio stations?
So 2 a.m. What in the world were you doing at 2 a.m. when you called me on Instagram?
I didn't mean to call you. I was trying to send you. but I was half asleep, and it was like an epiphany. So
What did you have? What did you have for me?
I can't remember now. I'm so
I can't remember
I'm
now.
traumatized by straight talk. Like, I really hope
You're
you're listening.
traumatized by straight talk. You know, I have my mother is traumatized by Sprint. So and now
Dude,
T-Mobile.
I have AT&T. Straight talk thing has AT&T chips. It has Sprint chips. It has T-Mobile.
T-Mobile.
So it has another. Like, you could pick whatever, whatever provider, but it's still straight talk. So
You're
so
traumatized by
I was
straight
gonna
talk.
roll with it so I could have the same number. I've been doing this for 2 months now.
You're traumatized by straight talk.
I have PTSD
That
from
is
that.
that is gonna be when I put this up on YouTube. That's the title of the video. The bunny traumatized by straight talk.
Yes. Yeah, we need them.
That'll be out. It'll go out on Instagram and Twitter and everything.
But I have another one, so I'm gonna get rid of that.
I have missed talking to you. You are very entertaining.
But Jay,
And you're in a good
what?
mood today, which is good.
Well, yeah, because I mean, I'm kind of packed. I'm gonna show you real quick. Don't laugh.
I'm kind of packed. Hey, that's no worse than Lucky Kid's car when I was working at the old KSKU.
It says it only take me a day and 6 hours to get to my destination of Exotica.
Oh my God! You're really coming to Exotica?
Well, fuck yeah. I need money, man. I gotta like rub elbows with some beautiful women
You're
or
coming to
something. Like,
Exotica. Oh my God. Wow. We got to get you hooked up with Lily Craven and the rest of them
hook me
because
up,
because
because
I'll
I need. You don't even know how long it's been. I'm just saying.
well, you know,
I've never had a female anyway, so
oh, that was going to be my next go-to.
I said that,
Holy shit.
because I'm excited. I mean, that one chick is dressing up like a clown for me, and I'm gonna be all wet and excited. So,
Well, you know, Brittany's into
whoop,
girls.
whoop. Really,
Maybe we could get a
I didn't know
threesome
that.
going. I don't know.
I'm not. I'm like curious. Like, I'm just, But I remember Jay. We gonna go there. That's for sure.
I remember Jay.
Jay was always like, "Oh,
Oh,
let me."
Jay is just all over the map.
Now, are you bringing Samantha? Because I will.
Well,
I will rob somebody and
it's supposed to
dime.
be. It was supposed to be Big Will, me, Britannia, maybe Flex Reed, and of
Sweet.
course Angel Medina. However, Big Will has to work an MMA event, so he is out. He will not be attending.
Oh, see if
So
Samantha.
it may be me and Brittany, or it may be me and Brittany and someone else. I don't know.
My braid came out,
You're
James.
so okay. So let me get this straight. So you are gonna be heading to Exotica. When is what? I'm blown away by this news.
Exotica is the end of the month, but I googled it and it said from my location where I was at yesterday, because I'm always hopping around. I'm the bunny. So, what's up, Doc?
God, you're entertaining.
Well, I mean, I'm a very animated person. It's my sign. It's who I am.
It's
I
who
was
I
going to
am.
I was one of those children that was seen and not heard, and so now you will hear me.
Seen and not heard. Holy
Right?
crap.
No, 'cause not you got in trouble, right? It was always supposed to be children are supposed to be seen and not heard.
Hey, I'll tell you, I say that all the time about Crystal Baxter.
Dude, that's so wrong. Didn't they grow up and be like me? And whoop whoop, go Crystal. Like, come
Whoop
on.
whoop, go Crystal.
Right?
She's doing all sorts of things on TikTok. When we
Hey,
were
you
out
gotta tell Crystal about this. You like my hair?
when we were out in Colorado,
It'll be different to chalk. Dollar Tree, not Dollar General. We don't have one of those here. Dollar Tree chalk pens, and you can paint your hair, and it'll be different after you wash it, and you have to read.
oh my god. This is amazing.
No, you gotta share this with Crystal because I know you guys. I know on Junction City they have a Dollar Tree, right? You know the green.
Okay. Back up here. What do we have? Let's do this.